Today, we're diving into a topic that many Android users might find crucial: changing your Google Play Store country permanently. Whether you're relocating or just looking to access region-specific apps, I've got you covered with a step-by-step guide. But remember, Google only allows this change once every 12 months, so it's not something to be taken lightly. Alright, let's jump right into it. Step 1. Open your Google Play Store app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap on your avatar in the top right corner. Step 3. Navigate to Settings, then General, and finally, Account and Device Preferences. Step 4. Look for Country and Profiles. Step 5. Add your new payment method. But hold up. Before doing this, make sure to delete your current payment method. This is a crucial step, folks. Step 6. Now, be patient. It might take up to 48 hours for the change to take effect, so don't panic if things don't switch immediately. And here's a pro tip from Google: only make this change if you're genuinely moving to a different country. It's not a workaround to access apps and services that aren't available in your current location. Be thoughtful about it. But, and here's a big but, before you hit that change button, know what you're getting into. Firstly, you're limited to one change per year. No take-backsies, folks. Secondly, your Google Play balance is linked to your current country. Change it, and you won't be able to use it until you switch back. And thirdly, if you're a Google Play Pass user, be aware that if Play Pass isn't available in your new country, you won't be able to access additional Play Pass apps. Oh, and one more thing. If you have a family link library, this method won't work. If you're managing your child's account, you're stuck with their current country setting. So, there you have it, a quick and concise guide on how to permanently change your Google Play Store country. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility, or in this case, with one change per year comes a year-long commitment. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and as always, leave your questions or thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy app exploring!